Welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, we're going to show you how to troubleshoot audio in Windows 10 and fix common sound problems quickly and easily. Step 1. Go down to your system tray at the bottom right corner of your screen and click on the sound icon. If you see a little X next to it, click it once to unmute, and then drag the volume slider up to make sure your audio isn't muted or too low. This helps solve simple issues right away. Step 2. Open the search menu and type Control Panel, then select it from the results. Once it's open, set the view to large icons so it's easier to find everything, and then click on Sound. This is where Windows controls all your audio devices. Step 3. Select your default playback device, which is usually marked with a green check. Click on Properties, then go to the Enhancements tab and check the box that says Disable All Enhancements. Click Apply and OK to save changes. This removes any extra effects that might be interfering with your sound. Step 4. Open the search menu again and type Services, then open it. Scroll down to find Windows Audio. Double-click on it and set the startup type to Automatic. If the service is stopped, click Start, then Apply and OK. This ensures Windows Audio is always running properly. Step 5. Open Device Manager from the search menu and expand the Sound, Video, and Game Controllers section. Right-click your audio device, select Update Driver, then choose Browse My Computer for drivers, followed by Let me pick from a list. Select your device, click Next, confirm, close everything, and restart your computer. Updating drivers can fix compatibility issues and restore audio. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tutorials.